Hunting season is around the corner, and I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite pieces of kit, Bino Packs. So I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite pieces of hunting kit. I reached out to Jarrett Owens and Zach Jones of Alaska Guide Creations, and they shipped us a brand spanking new Kodiak Cub with a max pocket binocular pouch. This one's in multicam. Now I picked this one up specifically for my wife because for years now, she's been borrowing mine. So let's take a look at what I pack in my pouch and why I like it so much. So of course, I've got my binoculars in the pouch. I've got a quick release tab at the top, flip it on open. My binoculars are kept secure in place with two straps that are attached with Fastex clips. If I wanted to take the binoculars off and hand it to somebody else, I can simply click the Fastex clips, hand it on over. When they're done, they hand it back, click it back in, it's secure, pop it back in place. In the front of my pouch, I typically hold my GPS there. Now this GPS is made by Garmin, clicks right on my side-by-side, tracks as I go. When I get out of the vehicle, I click it off, throw it in my pouch, continues to track as I continue my hunt on foot. On the side pockets, I keep a game call for whatever animal I'm going to be hunting. And, I keep a set of lockpicks in there too, because guaranteed I'm going to forget keys. Somebody else is going to forget keys to trigger locks or essential locking devices. And it's no fun being all the way out at your destination on your hunt and being unable to access your equipment. On my other side pouch, right now I've got a predator call in there and something to start a fire with. In this case, a simple lighter with a piezo igniter. I could put fire steel in there or any other fire starting equipment, but it's good to have some means to be able to keep warm if you need to in an emergency. In my bottom pouch, I keep some flagging tape. It's an important piece of safety equipment, and it's also great to use if you're tracking an animal after you've shot it. Simply put a little bit of flagging tape on a stick, stick that down beside any point of blood trail that you find, and if you fall off that trail, you can easily find it again in the future. Just make sure to clean up your flagging tape when you're done. I keep a set of nitrile gloves. Good to keep your hands clean. Keep a small knife. And a small bit of cordage. Finally, there's a pouch on the back. And in this pouch, I like to keep my important documents. I keep my firearms license, keep some money with me. You never know when you're going to need some extra cash. And I keep my species tags. All in one very convenient kit. All I have to do, grab my firearm. If I'm going to bring hearing protection, bring that as well. Grab my bino pouch. I'm good to go. Now that I've shown you what I have in my bino pouch, I'm going to get my wife set up and I'm going to show you how to attach binoculars to the pouch. So recently, at SHOT Show in Vegas this year, we had the privilege of being invited to the SIG Range Day. While there, my wife had the opportunity to check out a pair of SIG BDX range-finding binoculars, which she fell in love with. By the time this video comes out, I'm sure she's going to know about it, but right now it's a secret. I'll set it up for her. It's going to be a gift. So these were supplied to us by our friends at MB Charlton's. Brand new set of laser range finding binoculars. These guys actually come with their own pouch. Not nearly as good as this pouch here. So what you do is you open up your bag. Inside it, you're gonna find the chest strap, the harness that you're gonna use. This harness is great. It's all attached with Fast X clips, quick detach, very secure, very strong, clicks on and off. It uses the exact same system to attach to your binoculars. On your binoculars, all you want to do is take the small strap here, feed it through the side, feed it through the loop, and securely attach it to your harness. When adjusting your pouch, you're going to notice on the inside, they actually have instructions to show you how to do this, but you got some extra cordage in here. And that's designed to be used as a tether on a rangefinder or any other piece of equipment that you wish to secure. What I like to do is I use a little toggle, I cinch it right down, I'll tie a knot, I'll cut the end, and I'll just burn off the end just to give it a nice tidy finish and get rid of the excess. You don't need all of that. If you'd like to get your hands on your own Alaska Guide Creations pouch, you're in luck. They sent us another one, and we're going to give this away to one lucky winner. All you have to do is let us know in the comments section below why you think you deserve to win this. Full details will be on the Silvercore website, and while you're there, check out the Silvercore Club Shoot. It's a national shoot. We have some fantastic prizes that are being given away. It's a lot of fun. It's absolutely free to enter, and it's open to all Silvercore Club members. And some of the more observant of you will have noticed that I'm wearing a brand new Silvercore hat. If you want to get your hands on one of these, silvercore.ca, they're available to purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time. Oh my God. Same thing, just in coyote tan.